So we are going to find equation of a plane that contains this line, which is drawn by green color, and sorry for making the line too thick, and is perpendicular to this plane with this equation. Now what you can note with the line is this, that is, this tells us that the point 2, 2, 1 is contained on the line. Okay, so as you can see, and the coefficients of t tell us that the line is parallel to this vector 2, 1, 1 given by the coefficients of t. So here is the vector along the line. Now here what we have is this, that the coefficients of x, y, and z that are 1, 1, and negative 1, they will give us a vector that is perpendicular to that plane. Now so far as a plane containing the green line is concerned, we can have many different planes, but what we want is, we want the plane that's perpendicular to this gray plane, or is parallel to this line 1, 1, negative 1. So if we would like an equation of this blue plane, then we should notice that the plane contains this point, which is 2, 2, 1, and it will help to obtain a vector that's perpendicular to that blue plane. Now notice this vector here, which is 2, 1, 1, that's along the line, and this vector right here 1, 1, negative 1, that's perpendicular to the gray plane. If we take the cross product of these two, then that will be perpendicular to this blue plane that we have to obtain. That is, we just have to find equation of the plane that passes through 2, 2, 1 and is perpendicular to this cross product, as I just said. And how do we calculate that cross product? And we can find this cross product exactly the way we did in the previous video. Okay, and then we got negative 1 here. So we just have to find the plane passing through this point and perpendicular to this vector, and that will be, as usual, we'll just take the components, 2 times x minus 2. Now the second component of the perpendicular vector is, or a perpendicular vector is, negative 3. So we get negative 3y minus 2, and then here we have negative 1. We are not going to write 1 because that will be absorbed by the multiplication. So this is 0, and if we solve for z, what this would become is this equation right here. Okay, so if we go ahead and plot it, we got our desired plane here.